This short video will focus on two areas: the components and basic usage of a fire extinguisher, and how to suppress a fire as a two-person team following the National CERT curriculum. Let's now take a look at a fire extinguisher. All properly serviced fire extinguishers will have an information and instruction label affixed to it. This label will contain information about the extinguisher's fire classification rating. In this case, an A/B/C rated fire extinguisher. A is for ordinary combustibles, B flammable liquids, and C electrical type fires. Always choose an extinguisher with the proper rating for the fire you are attempting to extinguish. We will now look at the four main components of a fire extinguisher. These components include the seal and safety pin, which indicate if a fire extinguisher has been previously used. The pressure gauge, which indicates if the extinguisher is charged and ready for use. The discharge nozzle, which may or may not include a hose. And the activation squeeze handle. To use a fire extinguisher, first choose the proper fire extinguisher for the situation. Next, check the gauge to ensure that the extinguisher has been properly serviced and is fully charged. Break the seal and pull the safety pin. Aim the extinguisher at the base of the fire. Squeeze the handle to activate the fire extinguisher, and sweep back and forth at the base of the fire until the fire is extinguished. This is known as pass: pull, aim, squeeze, and sweep. Now we'll watch a two-person CERT team as they use a fire extinguisher to extinguish a flammable liquid fire. First, break the seal and remove the safety pin. Now, let's watch this two-person CERT team and break down step by step how they will communicate, approach the fire, safely suppress the fire, and then retreat from the area. You will notice that throughout the operation, the secondary team member will always have one hand in contact with the lead team member. First, the lead member will indicate that the team is ready to begin. The second team member will confirm. Once this is done, the lead team member will initiate the approach.
Team 1 ready.
Team 1 ready.
Going in.
Once they begin the approach, the secondary team member will keep visual contact with the door and communicate this to the team. If at any time the secondary team member loses visual contact with the door or feels the situation is unsafe, they will initiate a backout procedure and stop the operation. The lead team member will provide constant communication of the team's distance to the fire and once they begin to actually suppress the fire.
I have a visual on the door.
15 feet away.
We are still clear.
10 feet away. Extinguisher.
Once the fire has been suppressed, the lead team member will indicate that the fire is out. Once this is done, the secondary team member will initiate a safe backout procedure. While backing out, the lead team member will keep constant visual contact with the extinguished fire to ensure that it does not reignite and become an unsafe condition for the team.
Flame is out.
Heading back towards the door.
Flame is still out.
We are still clear.
Flame is still out.
We are through the door.
Now let's put all the components together and watch one more time uninterrupted.
Team 1 ready.
Team 1 ready.
Going in.
I have a visual on the door.
15 feet away.
We are still clear.
10 feet away. Extinguisher. Flame is out.
Heading back towards the door.
Flame is still out.
We are still clear.
Flame is still out.
We are through the door.
We will watch the operation one last time, where you'll be able to see the suppression activity from different points of view.
Team 1 ready.
Team 1 ready.
Going in.
I have a visual on the door.
15 feet away.
We are still clear.
10 feet away. Extinguisher. is out.
Heading back towards the door.
Flame is still out.
We are still clear.
Flame is still out.